Break ID number 1843. 2017 National Treasures Football 1-box break. This is random team style. The next one is serial number. This was a buy one, get one free, so I've doubled the spots. And go. There you go. There will be Chronicles up on Saturday. And basketball too, I believe. See, I don't need to sit here and wait for you guys to memorize the list. It's going to take me a while to get used to that. All right, let's get some monsters out of here for you guys. Yeah, those would have been valuable free spots. A little bit thicker than normal. Come on. First one. DeMarco Murray /99. Super short print. Amir Abdullah, 3/10. Detroit. Where are they? You guys might need to help me. There it is, Sean, M.O. You guys will start finding stuff sooner than me now. Jumbo jersey, Samaje Perine /99. Washington, Miles, KY. Dual jersey, Derek Carr and Amari Cooper /99. Oakland, Russell, GR. Oh, I'm glad, Tim. It just makes sense. Look at this patch. Man, 3-color jumbo patch, Alvin Kamara. Short print also, 15/25. To the Saints, Ken, N-E. Jumbo patch on card auto. Jumbo jersey, I should say. Josh Reynolds. 81 of 99. Thanks, guys. Hey, Sean. Rams. Russell, G.R. Short print vet auto patch, Eddie Lacy. 8 of 25. Seattle, Andrew, G.R. Jumbo patch on card auto, C.J. Beathard, or Beat Hard, to 99. '49ers, Andrew, G.R. That's a neat insert. On card auto, the future, Deontay Foreman. 20 of 25. That's like an acetate cover on top. You can see it there. Maybe not in the camera, but nice looking card. Houston, Sean, M.O. Oh, and look at this. Jeez. 2 of 25. Triple patch on card auto, Mr. Hunt. Look at that. Kansas City, Russell, G.R. Yikes. All right. It's quite a box. Man, is that stuff fun.